Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the date and time on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the home button on your remote of your Sony Bravia 7 TV. Click on the quick settings option here. And then on the top right, you want to go ahead and click on all settings. Go ahead and scroll down, then click on system, then scroll down, and then click on date and time. So you're going to be able to go ahead and automatically change the date and time. You can set the date, you can set the time zone, and the 24-hour format. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the date and time on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.